Hi VP, happy birthday! Cheers to more fun moments with you during your visits here in Davao. And with that being said, there's a few people that would like to greet you on your special day.
Sa atin na.
Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang sa gusto mo.
Greet VP a happy birthday and special message now na.
Happy birthday, baby! We love you!
Yun lang daw, sir.
Kanina gusto mo akong lamunin eh.
Hello Sir Ryan, happy birthday po. Wish you good luck and God bless for birthdays to come.
Di totoo yan.
Hi, sir!
Greet VP on his birthday and special message.
Ang gusto gini. Ano ba? Oh my God, sana oy!
The special message, what comes into your mind right away?
VP, participation call.
Gusto mo mamaya ng 45?
Hi, VP Ryan. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga tinutulong mo sa amin. Happy birthday.
Ang galing mo sumagot. Ang lakas makasa.
Kamay.
Anything na?
Wait, what?
Greet VP a happy birthday and special message.
Hi, VP! Bayan,
Sige, bilis!
Tsare!
Bilis!
Sige. Wait lang, ayusin ko muna yung desk.
Hindi namin tayo kakat.
As in ba? Happy visit ka talaga. Ayun, thank you for the trust, VP. And then, enjoy your birthday.
Kaya nga, ikaw alam kung magaling ang tsamba mo, malakas eh.
Hi Ryan, happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Today na? Birthday greeting and special message kay VP.
Dela. Bossing, happy birthday. Yawa.
Mas walang bunga nga mo, ha?
We're happy that you came back and then lead us, our business. And like what I said, we wouldn't have gotten here without your support. So really appreciate that.
Tama kayo, tama kayo. Ako naman eh.
God bless you and bless you more.